Hello everyone, this is John from Mania. I'm going to show you about the Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a video editing app for MS Default. I'm using Microsoft Surface for editing my videos. So I'm recording now with the Surface. You may see background noise too much. Clipchamp settings, there is no settings for noise cancellation, but you can cancel the noise. I'll show you how.
Go to Settings. Select Audio Settings. Select Input-Output Devices. Select your default audio device. Turn off the default audio enhancement. Now your background noise is cancelled default. Hope this video useful for you. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.